What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and I've got some really exciting news to share with you. This year, well, next year, for the first time ever, this January, I'll be headed to CES Las Vegas 2025. That's right, the biggest consumer electronics show in the world, and I'll be there covering all of it just for you guys. CES is where the future of technology gets revealed. From groundbreaking AI to futuristic gadgets, gaming gear, smart home tech, and so much more. And I'll be bringing you exclusive content, interviews, and demos straight from the show floor. But before I dive into all that, I wanted to give a huge shout out to AIPER for sponsoring this trip and making it possible for me to attend CES this year. AIPER is known for their cutting-edge robotic pool cleaners and smart home solutions, and I can't wait to see what they have in store for CES. I'll be taking some time to check out AIPER's latest innovations and sharing my thoughts with you. So if you love tech as much as I do, be sure to click on that sub button below and stay on top of all the latest videos because I'm going to be releasing a ton of great stuff for you. And again, huge shout out to AIPER. Thank you so much for sponsoring this trip, and I'll see you in Vegas.